Open that sandwich up. Let's see what's inside. Wow, that looks good, Sharon. Time to try new Mexican food we've never had before. Are you ready, Sharon? Let's do this. Guys, we just found out this restaurant doesn't have vegan food. Too bad, Franks. You should have had vegan options. It looks good. So you guys, we got the veggie burger. For only $9.95, you get a veggie burger, waffle fries, and you check in on Yelp for free lemonade. Open that sandwich up. Let's see what's inside. Wow, that looks good, Sharon. That Earth Burger gets 5 stars. Nothing better than that Earth Burger. They make it in-house, made out of falafel, and their falafel is the best. It's amazing. At Hummus Republic, check it out. I highly recommend it. You gotta try this place if you're in LA. We're at Alfred, and guess what I got? This is the peppermint matcha milk tea with oat milk. Vegan, y'all.
I didn't even know this drink existed. How did you do it?
It's a seasonal drink at Alfred.
Wow.
Try it.
Wow. This is amazing.
Honey, I have something to tell you. I love you so much. How do you like that matcha I got you, baby?
It's the best.
Oh, what's his name?
It's Bernie.
Bernie?
Oh. Can I pick him up?
Wow.
He's like a real dude. He's 15 pounds.
He looks so happy.
He's really modern.
Alright, so we gotta hurry because this restaurant, the kitchen closes in 15 minutes, but the direction says we'll be there in 2, so we'll make it. We're here! So we just got to the restaurant and the guy was like, you guys know we close soon. I was like, yeah, it's fine, we'll need a table for 2. And then the waiter rushes out of the kitchen, like first thing, he's like, yes, oh, what would you like to order? He's like, just so you know, the kitchen closed in 5 minutes. I was like, what about drinks? What about the bar? The bar closes in 5 minutes. I was like, let's get out of here. We don't want to be like the people ordering at the last 5 minutes of the kitchen, right?
Keeping everyone from going home.
Yeah, all the people in the kitchen are gonna be pissed. They're gonna like throw our food all over the kitchen, drop it on the floor, and then throw it on our plate. Anyway, so I was like, let's go somewhere else. So we're on our way to get some good food that's not about to close. And welcome to Spare Tire, West Hollywood. Oh, that was great. Yeah, our margaritas are here. Cheers. Yeah, that's a good margarita. It's strong, just right.
Nachos?
Oh yeah. We got nachos, y'all. Look at this. Wow, look at these giant jalapeno slices. They're as big as my eyes. I don't know if I can eat that much fresh jalapeno. It's so spicy and it's fresh. I like cooked and pickled jalapenos.
It's not that spicy actually. It's actually really nice. It's very spicy actually.
Let me know if y'all can eat a fresh jalapeno and how many you can eat. I'd be surprised to hear if anybody can eat a whole fresh jalapeno. All right, Sharon, what did you think about those vegan options?
Vegan cheese is like the most important thing, and vegan cheese is good.
I love those nachos especially. Those are really good. Food 3 is more average. Yeah, it's average, but it's definitely worth a try. Let's see, restaurant as a whole.
4.5. I really like the vibe.
Half
Waitress
restaurant
was
as a whole.
really nice.
And how are the drinks? What do you give the drinks? I'd say drinks get a 3. By the way, this is late at night on a weekday. We ordered happy hour menu items. Maybe it's not the best timing or best items. All right, you guys, that's our review of Spare Tire. Get apple. I'm gonna get grape. I want to try grape juice. I haven't had one in a long time. It's organic. Wow.
So they're going to give you like that spinach, that kale, and everything that we miss in our diets on a daily basis as well. And then they come in a variety pack where it's 12 bars and 4 of each flavor for you.